Assalamualaikum sixth class. I hope you are doing good. And how was your vacations? So welcome back sixth class. Now we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 1, the computer system. But first we need to know what is a computer is. So a computer is an electronic device that is used for storing, retrieving and processing data according to the given set of instructions. Right, so in simple words, computer basically is used to store an information which we entered into the computer, right? So the CPU will process that instruction, it will process that information, and after that it will be generated. The computer will retrieve that information or data uh, uh, in the form of an output, right? So this is called as the computer. And computer are available in different sizes and types. Now there was a scientist named as Charles Babbage, who was considered as the father of the computer because he has given many ideas and concepts which enabled the future scientists to develop computers, right? So there is a timeline which shows the key developments in the history of computers, operating system, and internet. So first one is the invention of the analytical engine, right? So analytical engine was first computer, right? That was developed in the 1837. Now the invention of the transistor. Transistor basically it controls the flow of electric current, right? So it was invented in 1947. Then the invention of computer mouse was done in 1964. The first Microsoft Windows was invented in 1985. Now the Google, which was the search engine, which is a very popular search engine, that was invented in 1998. Now the iOS, the operating system that we are using for mobiles and for Apple iPhone, right? So this operating system was invented in 2007. Now in 1986 there was developed a programmable computer. First freely programmable computer was invented in 1986. Sorry, 1936. Now the first programming language, it was invented by the IBM, right? So the programming language is basically used to convert the machine code to computer code, right? That is was invented in the first programming language was invented in the 1954. Now the IBM's first personal computer was invented in the 1981, and in 1986 this company IBM releases the first laptop, right? And in 2004 the famous social media platform like Facebook was founded by Mark Zuckerberg. So this is the timeline of the inventions of the key developments in the history of computers, operating systems and internet. Now sixth class we will learn about some early calculating devices. So number 1 is the abacus. Abacus was probably the first calculating device, and it had a wooden frame, right? This is the picture of the abacus. It had a wooden frame with beads sliding on wires, right? And abacus is basically used to perform simple calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. By counting these slides, we can do addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division, right? And it was basically used in the Asia and Africa, uh, right? And it is still in use in many countries, right? Especially in the countries of Africa and Asia. And this machine is basically is used for the blind students. Okay, so it is used for teaching arithmetic operations to blind students nowadays, right? So abacus was the first calculating device, and it had a wooden frame with the beads sliding on wires, right? And it is used for simple calculations, addition, subtraction,